Welcome to Chuck's Bricks. Let's take a look at how we're building the city up. There'll be a final review on Friday, but let's do some preliminary stuff. I didn't like empty plates in the middle, so temporarily I'm building this Central Park. So I just got a lot of odds and vegetation. I built a little pathway through the park. Got some benches in the park. There's a pathway all the way through the park. And it comes out on the other street there. I have to put this in the city. But, I got some interesting little trees. I saw on someone's, I don't know whose page, I saw some of these. And some of these are just Lego parts. But, can't have blank spots. So, there's temporary little Central Park in my city. Got a nice little pathway, some trees, and now I gotta carefully put this in the park. The larger trees, I bought some trees from I don't know what, Philippe or whatever it's called, and once I saw how to build them, I bought spare parts from Lego and from other brands. I can't remember, Weebrick, and I made some of my own trees, so I got taller ones and shorter ones. I know a lot of people will build trees and they'll make them all identical, but I try to make all mine different just because every tree in the forest is not the same. But there is my Central Park with a nice walkway in it. So let's check out on Friday when we see the final city. Thank you from Chuck's Bricks until we build again.